Hi guys, welcome to Home Cooking by On. Today I'm going to show you another traditional Chinese New Year food, that is stir-fry egg noodle. Many people believe that if they eat this on the Chinese New Year, they will have happiness and long life. Enough for the talking, let's get the cooking begins. So we need 250 grams of egg noodle, fresh egg noodle, and about 200 grams of prawn. Today I'm using cooked prawns, and mixed vegetable, whatever you like. And today I'm using cabbage, carrot, and broccoli. So let's get cooking. So it's gonna be really quick cooking today because the egg noodles are already cooked and also the prawns is already cooked. So a little bit of oil in, and we're gonna stir fry the egg noodles first. Now we can add some vegetables. Let's add some salt in to make it taste better. So 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Combine all the vegetables and the noodle very well, then you can add the prawn.